Welcome to Jeff Weiler Honda of Colerain, the highest online rated Honda dealer in Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. Here's the vehicle for you.
Wheel alignment consists of adjusting the angles of the wheels so that they are perpendicular to the ground and parallel to each other. The main purpose of these adjustments is to maximize tire life and make sure the vehicle tracks straight and true while driving. If the alignment is out, it can cause excessive tire wear and steering or tracking problems. The symptoms of a car that is out of alignment are uneven or rapid tire wear, pulling or drifting away from a straight line, wandering on a straight level road, spokes of the steering wheel off to one side while driving on a straight and level road. If your vehicle is experiencing any of these symptoms, contact our Honda service professionals and schedule an appointment.
Visit Jeff Weiler Honda of Colerain today and see for yourself why Honda customers rate us as the very best in all of Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. We're located at 8950 Colerain Avenue in Cincinnati, Ohio.